Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. So we have e to the power of s over 2 multiplied with this one and this one. So number 2 and number 2 we simplify. Next, we apply about the product rule of the derivative. So we have the formula in here. First derivative of y, that's about first derivative of u multiplied by v. First derivative of v multiplied by u. So in here, we see that one over 2 secant of s over 2 square, that's about first derivative of tan of s over 2 multiplied by e to the power of s, and the next one, that's about first derivative of e to the power of s multiplied by tan of s over 2. So if we do this integration, then we go back to y equals to uv. So if we do this integration, you will got about e to the power of s tan of s over 2, and we have the bounds from 0 to b over 2. So we put b over 2 go in here and here. Number 0 go in here and here. So tan of b over 4 you got about 1. Tan of 0 you got about 0. So the final answer, that's about e to the power of b over 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.